Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Okay, children. So, are you going through your grammar book? I hope you must be learning many more things from your grammar book. Without grammar, you know that we can't write in English. So, for English, grammar is must, children. Now, I will tell you something new. What is that new thing? Every day we are doing some work, yes or no? Yes. As you are student, you are playing, you must be dancing, you may be singing, your mother, she is cooking, father is going to do some work in the office. Every day everybody is doing some work. Now I will focus on that work part. Work part. What is that work part? Work part, we are doing every day's work, what we are doing. May it be playing, writing, reading, dancing, singing. Now I am writing and you are to write it. First it is playing, dancing. Can you add something? Yes, good. Singing. Mother, your mother is cooking, cooking also, everything. What we are doing. All these are included in work. Okay. So, these also are having some different name. In grammar, these playing, dancing, singing, cooking, coming, going, whatever we are doing, these are in grammar are called doing or action words. Doing or action words. Now see this doing or action words. In otherwise, these words are known as verb. Okay. So, in this chapter, we are to see which verbs we are using in everyday sentence. Okay. So, what is the meaning now? Tell me. Action or doing words. Okay. You can write it also. What is a verb? What is a verb? Okay. Write it down in your copy that doing or action words as we are seeing on the blackboard. But words which show, write down, words which show that action are called verbs. Okay. Action are called verbs. Words which show action are called verbs. It will be more clear to you when I will be writing some sentences like, see, Rita dances. Tom plays. Mary sings. Boys laugh. Baby rise. Like this, many more actions are there. Now I am underlining all these words. Dances, plays, sings, laughs, cries. That means when I am telling Rita dances, what Rita is doing? Rita is dancing. What Tom is doing? Tom is playing. Mary, what she is doing? She is singing. Boys laugh. Baby cries. Somewhere they are doing some action. So these are the action words: dances, plays, sings, laugh, cries. These are the doing or action words. Okay. Now what the verb is doing in the sentence, we have to go through that also. So verbs can be, write down children, verbs can be being words. Being words. Okay. Verbs can be being words. What is that? Write down, the cat is white. The cat is white. Second, the flowers are beautiful. Okay. Now see, I have told you verbs can be being words. Here is and are. These are being words. So in some way or other, these being words or otherwise known as verbs are used in the sentence. Again, verbs can show belongings. Can show belongings means something belongs to someone or something, or something, as it is there in your book. When you go through, you will get it. Verbs can show belongings means something belongs to someone or something. Write the example now. I have a pen. Okay. Second, the boys have books. Okay. Now, third example, Geeta has a beautiful dress. Beautiful dress. Okay. Then Rabi has a bat. Okay. Verbs can show belonging, means something belongs to someone or something. Here in first example you see, you will be more clear. I have a pen. Here underline have. Then I will explain you. The boys have books. Clear? Geeta has a beautiful dress. Rabi has a bat. In the first example, I have a pen. Which pen it is? The pen belongs to me. I possess. I have. Clear? The boys have books. Who are they having the books? Here, the boys. Coming to Geeta, who is having the beautiful dress? She is Geeta. And what Rabi? Rabi has one bat. So, have, have. These are the verbs. Okay, we show that something or somebody belongs to something or someone. So, here has, have. These are the verbs. Clear about the being words and the verbs which show the belongings like this, have and has. So, it is clear now. So, besides doing or action words, verbs can be being words, verbs can show the belongings like this. Verb is having the different work in the sentence, and without the verbs, without it, we cannot form a sentence. So, this much you learn today. More we will be reading in the next class, how the verb is changed according to the tense. That chapter it is verbs and tenses are there. We are to learn more about that, but before that you are to go from your book all these things what I have taught you today. So, your homework is, children, that is, what is verb, give examples. Give examples. So, here you are to read, as I told you, read fully from your book and write what is verb, giving the example of different types of verb. So, this much today. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you, children.